Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before I start the video, I wanted to tell you guys something that I recently discovered and got and I've been obsessed with. So recently I have found something. You guys know I only talk about stuff that I actually use and that I actually think is good to share. Like, I don't do a lot of sponsored videos. I don't do a lot of I just don't like promoting things that I think are unnecessary. So when I show you stuff, it's because I actually think it's real and it's like good. But I recently, you guys know I travel so much, and oh, hold on, I got unfocused. But I recently been into like perfumes, but I'm very picky. So I found Scentbird, and if you don't know what Scentbird is, basically what it is you get to try like a new perfume every month for like $17, and there's always coupon codes. I have one for you, and it's Tiana. I'm gonna link everything below so you guys can just click. But you get to try like certain ones every month. You pick it, your style, your scent, colognes, perfumes. It's not just perfumes, it's like literally everything. And you basically get to try one out in a travel like sort of size, so that way you're not like wasting your money. And you try a new one, and if you don't want to get one that month, you can skip the month and you don't have any penalties when you get it, which I thought was really cool. Because since I'm new to like perfumes and all that stuff, who wants to buy a full bottle of perfume and then like not use it? And this is great because you can just try out like a bunch of different ones all the time. So basically the way that it comes, I just want to show you guys because it's like perfect for traveling, and I was so happy when I found it. But it comes in this really beautiful case, and you just unlock or lock it like this. So I unlocked it, and you just open it up and the perfume is right here, or cologne, really whatever you want. So I will say I'm very, 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 very picky when it comes to scents. I do not like floral scents. I don't like vanilla. I don't like certain I just don't like a lot of smells. I love cologne. Like, I wish there was like, I wish I could find perfumes that smell like a cologne a little bit more, just because I love that sandalwood, that like more like that kind of smells. I don't really like floral smells. They remind me of old ladies. I'm like an old lady perfume, like, you know, when you hug your grandma or like you are around old people and they all have that same smell. That's what I feel like when I smell floral perfumes. And my mom is like highly allergic to like so much. Allergic, I think she just doesn't like it either, so she says she's allergic to it. But yeah, so I love this because I'm able to try so many different ones and not feel like I'm wasting my money. So I just absolutely love the idea of this whole subscription thing. It also comes with a little bag that you just slip in. So I'm going to tell you guys the ones that I was sent. So I was sent the Burberry perfume, and it tells you on all the cards like what it's mainly scented as. So like this one is a bit more on the florally side. This is Confessions. So this one's more of like my kind of vibe. It has sandalwood, jasmine, black currant. It's more of that, like, can be a cologne or perfume, you know. And then I got the Dolce & Gabbana light blue, which is more of that like cedar wood, which also I love, and like that fresh lemon apple. It's more like that fresh scents. And then the DKNY one, which is more fruity, so it has like the pomegranate, the musk, the raspberry, and they all come just like that. So like they're different colors, and you know, you just unlock it. So you just twist it, it opens up, and you can see what perfume you have. So that one smells actually really good. So I love this, and it's a great way to try different perfumes. And if you also don't know like kind of what you want, there's a quiz on the website where you can go on and take the quiz, and it'll tell you like recommendations for perfumes or cologne. So make sure you click down below and use my code Tiana for 55% off. So that makes it just $8 for your first month on Scentbird, which is incredible. And they're available in Canada. You have all the information down in the description box. Everything will be there. So hopefully you guys will get it and see how you guys like it. I personally think it's amazing. Like I said, I'm very, very picky with perfumes and scents. My favorite smells are like cedarwood, sandalwood, I don't know how to describe the smell. It's like the best that I can describe it. But yeah, I always look for like woody and earthy smells. That's just the way I like the scents. I'm big on that. I didn't wear perfume for like the longest time until like as of recent, because I obviously want to smell pretty, but I just struggled with finding a smell that I liked. So finally, I'm able to try a bunch of different ones and see what sticks. So this is a great way to try that out. So hopefully you guys will check it out. All right, so enough of me talking. Let's just go right into the video. Furthermore, so basically I'm just vlogging today. I am traveling this weekend, so I have to pack and I have a lot of stuff to do. So I was supposed to go to the Luke Bryan, Mitchell Tenpenny, Riley Green concert on Friday, but it got canceled because of the hurricane, obviously. So now I'm not doing that, but it kind of worked out perfect because I have stuff to do that day anyway. But basically I have all this stuff that I recently got that I have to put away. I feel like I'm very clean person, but my room, like whenever I get a package, looks messy because there's so much clothes I always have to constantly put away, and it's just like irritating because I don't like seeing stuff places. So I'm gonna do that today, and I have to pick up some stuff from Sephora, but I don't know if they're open because most things are closed. It's Wednesday today and most things are closed because of the like tornado hurricane thing going on. It's really windy outside. Also, I just ate, so I'm pretty full. I don't have to eat on camera. And yeah, I just did my hair too. I used the Dyson. My hair's actually like, I need to wash it tomorrow, but I like to use the Dyson on the day that like my hair is kind of like dirty, because it makes it look like you did something to it and you're not putting like heat on it. So like that's always nice. Also, I'm gonna make it a priority to finish my book I'm reading. That same book that I've been reading for like months. I haven't read it in like a couple weeks, and I know I need to like get on that, but yeah. So also, I've been struggling to find like a setting powder because I got allergic to like all the ones that I was using. But I recently got, oh, by the way, we got a new table. Let me see if I can show you guys. Well, like my dad literally just put it together, so my mom's like putting stuff on it right now. But yeah, but like I was saying about like the setting powder, I tried, okay, so you guys know the one size powder is horrible because it literally, you cry or sweat and it's off of your face in literally 2 seconds, and that's just like not good to me. And then I tried the Fenty Beauty one and I liked the way it looked, but I was allergic to it, and that sucks. Like I would put it on and my face would look swollen. So I think I mentioned it in another video, but that was very unfortunate because I really, really liked that powder. I think it stayed on really nicely. I know, it's so windy. So then I picked up, not that you guys even care, but I'm just gonna tell you anyway. Then I picked up the Laura Mercier one, and I don't love that one. I don't think it like gives like the impact that I want, but I will say when you mix it with something else, it looks pretty good. So I'm doing that right now. And then I got the Wet n Wild one because I heard that one was pretty good. And it was okay. I mixed it. Oh, and then I got the Huda Beauty one, which I thought was good, but the smell is kind of like strong, which is weird because it's vegan.
They lie.
No, they can't lie, Mom. You can go to jail. But so I mixed the Huda Beauty with the Wet n Wild, and I like it. I think it's pretty good. But I ordered on Amazon yesterday, not yesterday, before that, this pink powder by Ben Nye, and they say it's really good for like underneath your eyes. So I watched this guy on, I think I sent it to you on TikTok. This guy is a makeup artist, and he said like for a flawless like under eye to use like your concealer, like a little bit of setting powder, and then go on top with that pink one, just a little bit. And it like makes it look so nice. So I ordered it. So I ordered it for,
Can you try it without the setting powder before?
Yeah, he just says to use a setting powder because it mixes better.
Oh, darn.
So I ordered that, and I think it comes today. So I'm gonna give that a shot and see how that looks. I'll try that tomorrow. And yeah, I mean, on a daily basis, you don't need to do all that, but when I'm taking pictures and filming, I have to put a little bit more. So I'm just trying to get like, trying to get it down to a science of like how I like it to look. But I did notice like the less products you use, the better it looks.
I told you this.
Yeah, because sometimes I overdo it with like the powders and stuff, and then I just end up looking crazy. So
it's ridiculous. You girls do too much. At your age, you shouldn't be doing so much. At anybody's age.
At my age, I'm 25.
Exactly. You should be naturally. You don't have to cover what? A pimple? Gee.
No, my thing is when I have to cover like my scars that I have from like previous pimples, but it's been getting a lot better on my skin because I've been getting my facials. I've been like finding the right products.
Cream your face, moisturize, to be fine.
Yeah, and then and my under eyes are like kind of dark, but I just got a new eye cream, so we'll see how that works.
That's because you read, you force your eyesight, you watch TV, you go to bed late sometimes. Doing nothing. Well, you go to bed early, kind of.
I go to bed early. I go to bed like 10:30 every day.
Do you want Wendy's?
That's fucked up. let me show that. My mom, you guys know, she's very on top of me with the eating, and
girl, you could eat.
Girl.
No.
This is what she shows me. Do you want this? A coupon to Wendy's. Damn, they have breakfast.
They've been having breakfast.
French toast sticks.
I know.
Why would you show me this?
Or you could look at it.
That's torture.
I'm joking with you. You want to freaking go get yourself
free any size French fry.
Wait.
How do you say free in Spanish?
Gratis.
Gratis papa fritas.
Yeah. No.
Free 6-piece chicken nugget.
Say the truth. You could eat and I don't say nothing. When you're working out harder, but I want to say something to you. When you have a photo shoot, you can go eat French fries, papitas fritas. That's
what happened to only speaking Spanish to me again, guys?
Well, why don't you start with me so I can speak in Spanish and I answer you in
If
Spanish.
I ask you when I want to say something.
You know I said buenos dias, madre. Muy
You didn't say good morning to me today.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Good morning, my love.
I'm big on giving hugs. That's like my thing.
Oh my god, all day. So cute.
One day when I die, you'll wish that you can give me hugs.
Stop saying that. One day when I die, you're gonna be like, my mom. I didn't understand her.
Yeah, I still don't understand you. No, but I'm big on giving hugs. Like I'm a very affectionate person. Like I need you to hug me 24/7. So I'm always hugging my mom, and she doesn't give me hugs first.
I give you hugs.
No, you don't. I always have to give you one.
I'm always doing something.
So am I.
But still, like you come to me and I hug you.
Yeah, but I want you to hug me first sometimes.
This girl.
I like hugs. That's just my thing. Like I love.
You really do love
being hugged. Like when I'm sick or when I'm sad or like anything, and like my mom hugs me.
Next to you before bed.
I'm just such I just love to be like loved. Yeah. I love to be like not loved. Like I love to be like.
Yeah, it's love.
Cuddled and hugged, and like I like to feel a person. So I decided I'm gonna go get either Dunkin' or Wendy's because I feel like being a fat ass right now. And ever since my mom showed me that coupon, I like need to eat something disgusting. I haven't been eating as much lately because I just haven't been hungry. So I feel like I could afford a little cheat meal. So yeah, come with me to see what I decide. All right, y'all, we're pulling up. Sorry, my hair is like whacked out today. I don't remember what my mom said she wanted. I think she said a baked potato. So I'm just gonna get her what I think she wants. My dad said he wanted 50-piece chicken nuggets. I think he thinks I'm gonna share that with him. So I guess I will do that, but that's not on the coupon. It's not on the coupon book. That is not on the coupon book, but I'll give him what he wants. He's my dad. But I don't think I can get these fries though. Let's see. Also, I got an email saying that I could play music now in my videos and I won't get like yellow marks, but I'm like low-key kind of scared to try. But I've been jamming on the way here, so I might try it, but we shall see. Because I know they're gonna go, excuse me, can you pull up and wait for your 50 nuggets? Because when you order 50 nuggets, you like have to pull to the side because it takes so long. Pulling up now. Oh, loud ass bird.
Hi, company.
I'm gonna cut this because whenever I put the camera, like when I'm at a drive-through, they get like freaked out. So give me a minute. So I am just waiting over here. What do you think of my makeup, guys? I have to watch it back when I watch this, but I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna keep up with that Wet n Wild mixed with the Huda translucent powder. I think I like it. Let me like park my car. They're gonna bring the food out over here because it like takes a while. All right, y'all, I'm back. So also I want to tell you guys, if you don't follow me on TikTok, follow me, because I also kind of like started doing vlogs on there too, just like shorter ones and like glimpses of like what you'll see on the YouTube video. So make sure you do that. But I ended up getting 50 nugs, fries, and my mom wanted, oh mom, I got you a baked potato and chili.
No, thank you, but I told you.
What did you want? I thought that's what you said.
Bacon ginger cheeseburger. I haven't had that in years. And a baked potato.
I thought you said I'll have a baked potato and a chili.
I'm grateful to thank you. But next time, listen to me.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
You never do.
You never hear me.
When you go to Wendy's, you have to tell them, can I have them really hot, please? And they give you a fresh one.
Look how much barbecue sauce they need. Oh my God, I'm sick and tired of this stupid group chat. I love a good french fry.
Guys, $10 for those nuggets. You know how much? $10?
Honestly, I didn't even hear how much you said it was.
I think they're $10 for 20 nuggets.
Honestly, if you have like a party, you should, like, someone should bring that to a party.
Uh-huh, you should. Bring it to our party. So stupid.
And I pray for the homeless people during this time. It makes me really sad to think about like where they go, or like if they're able to find a shelter, or like what they're doing like in a time like this, because you know it's dangerous for people who have homes, let alone people that don't, you know. So it's like I always pray for them, for their safety and like everyone's safety, because it's sad, you know. But I'm gonna finish eating. Honestly, this is all I'm gonna do for this video, because you guys want vlogs like every day, but a lot of times I don't do a lot of things every day. Like I spend a lot of time at home, obviously, like doing my work, like editing, doing photos, making content, but a lot of the times when I'm not traveling for work or traveling for something else, I'm home. Like I don't really do too much. Like during the week, like on the weekends, I tend to do stuff, but during the week, like is when I'm kind of like recording, when you guys like want these videos, but I'm not really doing that much. So obviously I'm gonna start recording like on the weekends when I do something or whatever, but yeah, like sorry if they're kind of boring. Alright guys, that's it for today. Let's end with the prayer of the day, of course. So today's prayer of the day is, take, O Lord, and receive my entire liberty, my memory, my understanding, my whole will, all that I am and all that I process you have given me. I surrender it all to you to be disposed of according to your will. Give me only your love and your grace. With these I will be rich enough and will desire nothing more. Amen. But yeah, when we have God's love, it is amazing. I always say this all the time. As you can see, there's a pattern in these prayers. Love is the greatest of all things. So let's spread some love. Have a great day and a blessed rest of your day, guys.